Hi, I'm Fernando Cortés Ortiz, and this is the part 3 of Speak and Improve. The question about I'm going to answer is: all university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? And what is your own opinion? Okay, go ahead. For advantage, it may be done to pay for studies or simply to be continuing learning and to be able to involve in the job. For disadvantage, I think that doing both activities can be difficult due to the stress level. In my opinion, I think it can be a celestine issue if you manage to combine the two and achieve your goals of doing a good job and passing your degree, you are likely to feel fulfilled. This will increase self-esteem and self-confidence, which I think is very important quality for life. Thank you so much. And this is my score. Okay, thank you so much.